Welcome to Auto Paradise, the ultimate destination for everything automotive. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting reviews. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Kawasaki Versys-X 300, a small adventure bike that's big on performance, versatility, and comfort. Let's get started. Scene: footage of the 2025 Kawasaki Versys-X 300 parked in a scenic location. Narrator, voiceover: the 2025 Kawasaki Versys-X 300 is the latest iteration of Kawasaki's entry-level adventure bike. Combining lightweight handling with reliable power and a rugged design, this bike is ideal for both beginners and experienced riders looking for a versatile two-wheeler to conquer the city streets or explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. Scene: close-up shots of the bike's front, wheels, and suspension. Narrator, voiceover: first, let's talk about the design. The Versys-X 300 stays true to Kawasaki's adventure touring heritage with its aggressive styling and long travel suspension. This bike is equipped with a 17-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear, giving it the stability to handle tough terrain without compromising on road comfort. The angular bodywork, combined with a tall, wind-deflecting windshield, provides both protection and a rugged look. Plus, at only 392 pounds, this bike feels agile and manageable, whether you're navigating tight city streets or taking it off-road. Scene: footage of the bike's engine and exhaust system. Narrator, voiceover: under the hood, the 2025 Versys-X 300 is powered by a 296cc parallel twin engine, which delivers a smooth and responsive ride. It generates around 40 horsepower, which might not be the most powerful in its class, but it's more than enough to provide thrilling rides on highways and rugged trails alike. The engine's linear power delivery makes it easy for newer riders to handle, while still offering seasoned riders a fun, spirited ride. Coupled with a 6-speed gearbox, this bike is perfect for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. Scene: footage of the bike's digital display and handlebar controls. Narrator, voiceover: the 2025 Versys-X 300 comes with a well-designed digital display that offers all the important information you need, including speed, fuel gauge, trip meters, and an easy-to-read tachometer. The handlebar controls are also intuitive, offering easy access to the bike's features, including adjustable suspension settings and lighting. Whether you're riding on smooth highways or bumpy trails, the Versys-X 300 ensures you stay in full control. Scene: footage of the bike being ridden on various terrains, including dirt roads and highways. Narrator, voiceover: what really sets this bike apart is its versatility. The 2025 Versys-X 300 is perfect for riders who want to mix both on-road and off-road riding. Thanks to its 19-inch front tire and longer suspension travel, it provides excellent stability when you hit dirt roads or gravel paths. The comfortable seat, together with an upright riding position, ensures you stay relaxed on longer rides, no matter the terrain. And with a generous 4.5-gallon fuel tank, you can go further without constantly worrying about refueling. Scene: footage of the bike in various environments, urban streets, highways, and off-road. Narrator, voiceover: on the road, the Versys-X 300 handles beautifully. The suspension soaks up bumps and uneven surfaces, offering a smooth ride even on rough city streets. And when you take it to the open highway, the bike feels composed and stable, even at higher speeds. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading off on a weekend road trip, this bike adapts to your needs. Scene: footage of the bike being parked, with the rider dismounting and giving a thumbs up. Narrator, voiceover: safety is also a top priority for Kawasaki. The 2025 Versys-X 300 comes with a reliable braking system, with dual front discs and a single rear disc that offers solid stopping power. It also comes with ABS as standard, ensuring you have that extra layer of security when braking in tricky conditions. Scene: footage of the bike on a mountain pass or scenic overlook. Narrator, voiceover: so, what makes the 2025 Kawasaki Versys-X 300 stand out in a crowded adventure bike market? Its combination of affordability, reliability, and versatility. With a price tag that's easy on the wallet, it gives riders the perfect opportunity to explore the adventure bike category without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting your riding journey or you're an experienced rider looking for a capable bike for your adventures, the Versys-X 300 is up for the challenge. Outro. Scene. The bike parked with scenic views in the background, with the Auto Paradise logo appearing on the screen. Narrator, voiceover, that wraps up our review of the 2025 Kawasaki Versys-X 300. We hope you found this review helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Auto Paradise for more exciting content. Let us know what you think about this bike in the comments below. Would you take it on your next adventure? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.